You're leaving so much money on the table simply because you don't know exactly what to offer with HighLevel. You can take any of the features like the website builder, for example, and sell those to businesses for $200, $300, or even $400 every single month. But the thing is, there's so many other features that you can give them that will amplify everything that you're doing with that website by 100 times. They usually only take a few minutes to set up and they don't cost you anything extra, meaning that your profit margins can be as high as ever. What I'll say is that if you're already running a white label SaaS using HighLevel and you aren't offering these features and these benefits, that's extremely dangerous, because the thing is, your competitors, like guys like me, are offering these things to local businesses, and the thing is, you're going to lag behind. Your competitors will give your clients these features and you'll only end up losing the client in the long term, because at the end of the day, it's a battle for value. And if your clients are offering a lot more different features and services and it's priced pretty similarly or even cheaper, then you can pretty much guarantee that you're going to lose that client. I'm going to show you everything that you can offer these clients, and it's all first-hand experience, because this is exactly what I've been doing for the last 2 years. Also, make sure to stick it out to the very end of this video, because I'm going to give you an exact offer that you can just take and start selling to local businesses as soon as you're done this video. You can pretty much guarantee that if you stay consistent and offer these things, you're gonna end up just printing cash from your laptop. By the way, it's not just me that has done this. I've given all of these secrets out to my private community, and these guys have all been able to print thousands of euros every single month straight from their laptop. At the very start, I was offering something that everyone pretty much knows within the high level space, but very little actually seem to do this right. I was selling reputation management for $197 a month to all the local businesses around me. Now, the reason that I say no one actually does this right is because the reputation management that's built within HighLevel doesn't actually internalize any negative reviews, whereas the reputation management that we do actually does. So we have a few simple automations that we set up in these local businesses that allows them to get a ton more positive Google reviews, but they're able to internalize and hide all the negative reviews. So you could just straight up offer the reputation management within HighLevel, but it's not going to really able to filter out any negative reviews, meaning that you're going to be sending a lot of customers to leave a review for your client. But the thing is, all the negative reviews are going to get through, so it's only going to do more harm in the long term. This makes it worth it for your client to be paying you that monthly fee every single month, because only the positive reviews go through, the negative ones stay internal. Not only is this great for keeping your client's star rating as high as possible on Google, but it also gives your client the chance to actually reach out to that person. Let's just say it's a restaurant, for example, and someone had an experience that they wanted to write negative about. Your client can actually use the information that they fill out on the form and reach out to that person, so they can maybe offer an incentive and say, you know, next time you come back in again, we'll give you 20% off your next meal. Or they can just straight up reach out and apologize and see if they could have done anything better. When I was first selling reputation management to the local businesses around me, I spent the first few weeks literally walking into these businesses in person, asking to speak with their manager, and then doing a demo on how it works, and then ending up selling it to them. And the price usually depended on how big their business actually was. So it wasn't just 97 or 197. Sometimes we're selling this for 397 a month. By the way, I'll leave a link down below for one of my previous videos that goes over exactly how you can set this up. Don't worry, it's not behind any paid walls or anything like that. You can just go ahead and implement this right now in all your clients. This not only helps your client look that much better on Google, but it also starts boosting their ranking on the Google Maps. Let's just take restaurants again, for example. And if your client was in an area and they had people that were actively searching for restaurants near me, it's the restaurants with the best reviews and the highest star rating actually ranks at the very top. Google boosts these businesses to the top because they obviously have a great service. What I realized soon after I got all these clients, and this is something that not a lot of people talk about, you want to sell the benefits and not just the features. Of course, to sell these benefits, you use the features, but when it comes to actually doing your pitch and exactly what you can do for them, you need to explain to your client that these features can drastically increase their Google presence, and ultimately it helps them get a ton more customers. So no matter what features you're selling within your GoHighLevel SaaS business, you're not going to be able to properly scale and get a ton of clients on without mainly talking about the benefits over the features. Now, the next thing you want to have a part of your offer is the actual website builder itself. Listen, I know what you're thinking, but you don't need to be an expert at building websites when it comes to HighLevel, because there's so much templates that you can start implementing within seconds. You can literally just head over to templates, choose any of the thousands of websites in here, change the template so it suits your client's business by changing the copy, the images, the logo. Then all you got to do is connect it up to a domain, which usually only takes a few seconds, and you're good to go. Now, there's two different ways that you can go about selling these websites. You can either do a big setup fee at the start of maybe 1 or 2 or 3,000 euro and a small monthly fee for hosting, or just straight off the bat you can charge monthly, which leads to you having higher monthly recurring revenue coming in. So every single month you're not starting from scratch, and you know exactly how much money is going to come in every single month. This not only saves your client a ton of money up front, but it also gives them the chance to use all the other high level features start implementing it. So it's not just a website you're selling them, it's everything else. It's the email marketing, the SMS marketing, the CRM, the chat widget for their website, and pretty much everything else. Now, one thing that many beginner website developers make is they try so hard to make it all look fancy and amazing, which is of course very important. But the thing is, people don't realize that a website or a landing page has one objective in mind, and that's to book a call with your client. Because if they're paying for this nice fancy website and they're not getting anything in return, they're not getting any booked calls, they're not getting any clients, they're only going to just cancel the website because there's no point in it. They're actually not getting any return on investment at all, so you're just going to lose that client. The website builder is also a great starting point when it comes to reputation management, because once the website's built out, you can then implement the reputation management. It's as simple as embedding the form onto the website, and your clients can start getting a ton more positive Google reviews. Every time one of your clients' customers gets on the website, they'll see it and they'll start passively generating Google reviews over time. By the way, make sure to sign up for the free course down below. It shows you exactly what GoHighLevel is and how you can use it. It's completely free, and the offer on that page, as you can see at the top, one of the most innovative top of funnel GoHighLevel offer from GoHighLevel themselves. They gave me that award, they approved it, so you know the stuff inside here actually works and it's good. And if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, I'm gonna leave my extended 30-day free trial link down below. Yes, it's completely free for 30 days. It's not like their 14-day free trial that you get only on their website. This not only gives you enough time to get it up and running, but you'll also get your first few clients within your first 30 days. Once you get signed up, you'll get access to everything like the Start Your SaaS Insider course, weekly calls, bi-weekly guest calls with all the millionaires in my network, and you'll also get a ton of scripts and different templates that you can use. Pretty much everything that you need to start and scale your SaaS is in there. So if you are interested in getting signed up for GoHighLevel, click the extended 30-day free trial link down below and get signed up. Another thing that you need to get rid of is this limiting belief that no one's going to actually pay you that €300 to €500 every single month for. There are more businesses out there that you can imagine that make a ton of money and also need your help. It's also a bonus that softwares that business owners use to help their business are able to be written off to help with some tax deductions. The next thing that you need to be offering is Google or Facebook ad management. There's a few different other platforms out there that integrate directly into GoHighLevel that your clients can use to launch ads within seconds. But my favorite and my community's favorite out there is called Play. Play uses AI to generate all the ad copy, the images, the targeting, literally everything when it comes to launching a successful ad campaign. Play does it in seconds. You don't need to hire any ad managers to pay every single month to manage and launch all these ad campaigns. This cuts down your cost drastically when it comes to hiring, so you can keep all the profits. This is absolutely crazy because ad services usually start at around $1,000 a month. This is where the actual proper money is made. This is how you can profitably scale as quick as possible, because you'll be directly getting customers for your clients. We actually had Logan from Play join one of our bi-weekly guest calls. He showed us how Play actually works, how powerful it really is, and how much money you can actually make from the software. You're able to connect up your clients' ads directly into your client's GoHighLevel account, so anytime that you generate them a lead or a client through your ad, you're not only able to charge a monthly retainer, but you're able to charge commission on top of everything. This is how some of the biggest marketing agencies are out here making hundreds of thousands every single month. This is literally a money glitch because you don't need to be an ads expert. You just configure it once, set it up. If you get a few clients on this at the very start, you'll be able to hit 5K a month as quick as possible. This is literally a money glitch because you no longer need to be an ads expert. You just sit down, configure it all, get a few clients at the start, and you'll be able to make 5K a month in no time. Now, all of these features do work exactly as intended. So what I'll say is you don't really need to offer free trials, but if you are struggling at the start and you think you need to offer a free trial, then you can do so. Once you get your first 5 to 10 clients, you'll be able to get a bit more of a feel for the market. You'll start noticing patterns so you can see what niche you want to go after, because once you niche down, that's how you can actually scale. Because once you base your whole SaaS around a certain industry, a certain niche, it actually speaks to that industry. So all you got to do there is do a lot more outreach to your chosen industry or niche. So if you are interested in getting that one-to-one help so we can get this all set up for you within the next few days, I'm going to leave that extended 30-day free trial link for GoHighLevel down below. Once you get signed up, you'll instantly get access to the Start Your SaaS course and all the other benefits I mentioned before. Also, I'm going to leave my Instagram link down below, so if you do need anything, if you have any questions about SaaS or agencies or GoHighLevel at all, just reach out to me on Instagram down below.